Wow, look at this. I'm going again, people. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy. I like the way you stocked up your plate, man. Yeah, I like two fish. You're getting it in. Good vibes, good vibes. That is it.
Yeah, you don't know the thing, though.
Dinner was good, people, but I think I'm going up for seconds, They might have dessert around that, but I'm not really a sweet tooth person. I don't really, you understand? Everyone, look, the chef is just giving me he said that I should choose my fish. That's why I'm telling you that the people them are such a lovely people. Understand?
Be careful, okay?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one. You can take.
Wow, look at that. Amazing, everybody. Look at that fresh, white, fleshy sea bass people here. Absolutely amazing. You know what I'm gonna add? Amazing, 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 amazing. Look at this. The first thing I want to do here is sprinkle some lemon. You understand? Just to get that zest. You understand? On my fish. Now big up yourself. It's all about the salad. So I'm just making a little bed of salad to just go around my fish. You understand? Look at this tomato. Got some herbs and that on it. Oh, people, you don't know what I'm going. I can't even make up too much noise. Now the people in kitchen and restaurants, you understand? But big up Chef Ricardo people here. We're there, so people here. And guess what? All I want to do here is show you how fresh we prepared the food is here at the resort that we're in, at the Ramada Resort here in Turkey, Antalya, people here. I don't know, enjoy it, you see the food what I'm doing here, son? Fresh every day. Come. So first of all, Chef Ricardo, I just want to see that, sir. You see the fish that I'm preparing right now. And they're doing, you understand? So I'm just take it now and just continue buying it, sir. A good price.
Nice. Yes, chef, that looking good.
So Chef Ricardo, yeah man,
Yeah.
that is it. We're there so in our kitchen now, Chef Ricardo. I just want
You
know,
no.
yeah,
We just look at swag one.
A good vibe. But Chef Ricardo, are you the original,
Yeah.
And are you set the trend?
Yeah.
For even a person like Ringo Vision, yes, too. And give Ringo Vision encouragement to do the right thing. So
we're at the right place.
And we're in the right place right now. It's a food. I know. We hardly have people that cook food for you, So we have to take full advantage of this.
No, right man, you see that? Adapt the light. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, you see. Food look good. Yeah.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. This is our chef there, and he's a big chef. He's been feeding us for the last few days. You understand? And he's good. He's good at what he does. And every day, the general air, he's got fish on the menu, people. Yeah. So you understand? Big up yourself, people. We're in Turkey. If you're watching this video right now, what I want to actually show you is just the live cooking, and it's just so amazing the way they're preparing the food live on these big grills, people. Yeah, so yeah man, our good vibes. We're there so in Turkey. Just like, comment and subscribe, share the videos, people. Yeah, like I said, I got so much things to be showing you guys on the trip here. It's something different for Ringo Vision, because normally everyone, you see me outside on the streets with the shopping trolley, you understand, shubbing around town and actually cooking food and then going out to feed the homeless. But this is like a retreat. I went out into the town earlier and I was looking for homeless people. I didn't really find any homeless people, you understand, because the country is situated a little bit different. But there is a bit of poverty, and you understand? But what I noticed with the bit of poverty that is here, the people them are able to create a hustle. So what it is, you see things like recycling materials, plastic bottles and cardboard boxes. The people them will go around and collect all of these things, and then I think they recycle it, and then they get some money for it. So you understand? So big up the hustle here in Turkey, people, yeah. It's an amazing country. It's hot. It's nice. The people them are good. The people them are friendly. There's so much different food that you can try that you would not get bored. So you understand? Like I said, I'm just waiting for one of these fishes to just fry up. I'm going to eat a fish. You understand? I'm going to have fish and vegetable today, people, yeah. So fish and salad. So let's just wait for a fresh fish. A good vibe. Wow, if you can just hear the sizzling, people, yeah. The food looks absolutely amazing, everyone, yeah. So I can't wait to actually tuck in and actually give you guys the actual verdict and the flavor of, you understand? Our good vibes. Let's just wait for them fish there to complete, people, yeah. And we're gonna just tuck right in with some fish, some lemon and some salad. A good vibe. Amazing, 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 amazing. She's doing her thing, people, yeah. She's making it happen, you understand? Good vibes.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Like, if you look at her face expression, you can tell that she's very serious and she's enjoying what she's doing, people. Yeah, look at her. She's putting so much effort and love into like preparing this dinner for hundreds and hundreds of people here in the hotel. You understand? So we have to big up the chef them, because the chef them in the hotel is making sure that everybody is being fed, yeah, overfed. You understand? There's just too much food. There's just too much food. There's just too much food. Look, what I need everyone to do right now, yeah, is leave a comment in the comment section. You understand? And just let me know what you think. I'm here at the Ramada Resort here in Turkey, Antalya. It's a very, very, very good resort. So if you are coming to Turkey, Antalya, people, yeah, this is one of them locations there that you can really, really come and visit. It's family orientated, it's couple orientated. If you just want to have a quick getaway and just chill out and do an all-inclusive, this place here is also one of the best places to come to as well. When you come to Turkey, they've got a variation of activities and fun and games that can happen here in the hotel, people. They've got swimming pools, they've got indoor heated pool. You can come and do a Turkish bath. They've got a gym here. Yeah, man, it's absolutely amazing. So, you know what it is? The fish must be completed right now, the people, because I go and get my fish, you know, because you get a plate. Wait for one well done. Thank you. Everyone, look, the chef is just giving me he said that I should choose my fish. That's why I'm telling you that the people that are such a lovely people. Understand?
Be careful, okay?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one. You can take.
Wow, look at that. Amazing, everybody. Look at that. Fresh, off the grill. This is a sea bass. Look at the drip, everybody. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Yeah, man. Good vibes.
One more.
No, it's okay for now. I'll come back. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, people. So look, Ringo Vision has got his fish. And you know what I need with my fish? So look, homemade chili salsa. Wow. I tried this the other day and it was absolutely amazing. So because the fish here can also be a tiny little bit bland as well, because you know that it has to fit for every single body, but they've got the right ingredients here to also spice it up as well, people, yeah? So you can't go wrong regardless. A good vibe. Okay, so Chef Ricardo, the one fish and some hot pepper sauce, me I do. Yeah? Alright, a good vibes. So what's next, guys? Yeah, look. That's not our section there that we're looking at, but it's amazing. But let's go to our section. This is our section here, people, yeah. Wow, salad bowl. You understand? we're gonna make this fish be the right fish right now and put all the right ingredients to set this right, people, yeah. So our good vibes, big up yourself, one love, that is it. Look at this. The first thing I want to do here is sprinkle some lemon, you understand, just to get that zest, you understand, on my fish. Wow, look at that, people, yeah. Amazing. That's the beauty of hair, this hotel hair. It's got everything you need to set your thing right the way you want to set it. Right, so, Chef Ricardo, for me, really, it's all about the salad, you know. So,
Yeah.
Everybody that's watching right now, big up yourself. It's all about the salad. So I'm just making a little bed of salad to just go around my fish, you understand? Right. You could go there, so Chef Ricardo, quick Ricardo. The last thing I want to put in, you know what they got here? It's some, this is olive oil, lemon juice, and this one, Chef Ricardo, is an olive oil with the garlic. You know, I put a little sprinkle of olive oil and garlic over the salad. Good vibe. And then we can't be in a place where they got olives and we don't take olives. Because you know it's an olive as well, yeah. It's a part of the olive oil. It comes from the olive tree as well, people, yeah. So we have to have some olives on our plate. Understand?
Good vibes.
One last thing. Look at this tomato. It's got some herbs and that on it, so we're going to try a tomato. I'm setting me up on the plate to Chef Ricardo. Understand? So I finish it off with one spring onion. You understand, people? That is
Yeah,
it.
good vibes.
Alright, big up yourself, people. Yeah, good vibes. This is what we're having for dinner today. Absolutely amazing. A bed of salad with a sea bass, with some olive oil and some garlic. You understand? We've got the carrot, we've got tomatoes, we've got cucumber, we've got red cabbage, we've got the hot salsa sauce here, we've got the lemon squeezed on there as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. What is it like? We're still on the table now.
Yeah, outside I do it. Yeah. A good vibes I do it.
Yeah. Wow, look at this, everybody. So it's dinner time right now, yeah? Do you guys like what you see? Let me know if you like what you see, yeah, because I'm in here. The lighting's a little bit dull in here, but guess what? We're going to eat dinner right here. Yeah, man.
I say like that?
Yeah, because we right here, so Ricardo. We have the little table right here, so Chef Ricardo. At the heat you talk about? All right, no worry. Make we work.
But make get a clip in for you first.
All right, good vibes. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah, that's on the journey with me. Especially we're here in Antalya, Turkey. The mission continues. You understand? But something different is happening. You understand, people? Yeah. So look, I'm just gonna try my fish. Look at that nice, white, fleshy sea bass, people. Yeah, absolutely amazing. You know what I'm gonna add on there? I'm just gonna literally put some of the salsa on there, people. Yeah, spread it across. We're gonna get hands on now. Fart can't work, you know. It's just a burst of flavor.
And the aroma.
Explosion in my mouth, people, yeah? Wow. And the fish is absolutely, it's done exactly how I want it to be done. The chef dealt with it the right way, people, yeah? Look at that, wow. A good vibe. Thank you very much, people. Yeah, we're in Antalya. It's dinner time. I just wanted to show you guys what Ringo Vision is having for dinner and talk to you guys about the journey and what the journey is like. The journey is absolutely amazing, everybody, yeah. The experience is very good. It's very relaxing. It's very chilled. You understand? So I'm just charging myself up right now. So when I come back into the UK, we're going to be on full blow, people, yeah. Full blast. You understand? Out with the shopping trolley. Helping those that are in need. So just stay tuned, people, yeah, because the mission, we're still on that mission. And I just want to put an announcement of how many people that we've fed, because I haven't done a December and January calculation for you guys, but guess what? We've gone way over 13,000 people, and we've gone up way up into the 14,000s, people, yeah. Good vibes, big up yourself, you don't know where I'm going, Ringo Vision, that is it.
Good vibes. Come over here, sir.
Yes, everybody, so this is where we're at right now, yeah. Like I said, I'm going to be a little bit hands done, you understand? Just to show you guys what's really happening. Just look at that, wow, nice, fleshy, it's amazing. Good vibes, you know, very, very, very good vibes. You see fish, when you're eating fish, don't rush it because it's got bones, you understand? Just the combination that I've got here going on, people, yeah? The cucumber. I'm literally going to tuck in with my hands right now because I wash me and them clean. So guess what? I just feed up the one I feed up right now. These olives are so fresh. And they actually got the seed in it, look.
And it's fleshy.
Fresh. Sweet. People in the can't show no Chef Ricardo when Chef Ricardo are talking, no, because Chef Ricardo are talking right now. Good vibes.
Yeah, okra.
You know, so me see the okra stew, the Chef Ricardo and no well want to get some of the okra stew there. Me have to go get some of the okra stew there. After me finish this, me have to look more appetite.
Yeah.
For sure people them.
Stew peas.
Good vibe, man. Just a mash up it, the olive them. Oh wow, look at this, people, yeah? Mash up, the only thing I got left on the plate, yeah, is the spring onion. Look at mash up the spring onion too. Fresh spring onion. Also good for you as well because see, normally when I'm back home, I get to use all of the ingredients, and back where the way the food's cooked a little bit different, I just consume everything raw. That's why I got so much vegetables on my plate, everybody, yeah? You understand? Look at Chef Ricardo's plate.
Don't know anything go already.
You understand? The man have 2 orange and 3 banana, you know?
That's my dinner.
Yeah, you understand?
And that me I eat this evening.
Good vibes.
You understand, people? And this me I eat this evening. You understand? Yeah, man, I think me I eat this evening, man. Banana and tangerine. Because we not eat no anything.
That is it.
Yeah, you don't know the thing, but
Dinner was good, you know, people, you know, but I think I'm going up for seconds, you know. They might have dessert around that, you know, but I'm not really a sweet tooth person. I don't really, you understand, eat too much cakey. I don't even feel for it right now, the cake and all that kind of stuff, but I'll go and go back for some more food, people, yeah, and put some more things on the menu, let you guys see some more things, you understand? May I tell you, say food nice, food nice, bad man, I'm not telling no lie, people, the food good. You see, if you pay your money and you come at the hotel, yeah, you can stay at Antalya, you're going to enjoy yourself because there's a lot to offer in this complex here, people, yeah? You understand? Like I said, it's got a very big buffet. It's got a private restaurant where you can even book to go to the private restaurant. It doesn't cost you anything, people. You understand? It's got sauna, it's got Turkish spa, whatever. There, massage, everything there, gym there, play area for the kids. It's got big old swimming pool with slides in it for activities, for fun. You understand? If you do come here and you just want to have a little getaway, you can actually come to this country here and just chill at the hotel for the whole time period and still enjoy yourself, you understand? But I still do recommend that you step out and you go and have a look and know the country as well and say hello to one or two people, them walk in a one or two shop, them said way. And if you can, buy something in a shop too and just it's an experience said way people. Yeah, it's an experience. So you understand? Just deal with the experience and a good vibes. Chef Ricardo, banana.
Definitely.
Tell people the benefits of banana.
Just eat a banana for 15 minutes before you go to bed. Just sleep like baby.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, just sleep like baby.
Yeah.
15 minutes, you eat a ripe banana before you go to bed.
Yeah.
That make you can sleep. And you can cut off a sleeping pill. Put a little bit of cinnamon on the banana, you're good to go.
Away I said to me, say, away cinnamon look. Cinnamon knock it up. Cinnamon knock it up. You understand what Chef Ricardo said? Go get a banana and eat a banana before you go to bed if you can't sleep. You understand? A good vibes. Everyone have come back for round 2. Serious, the fish was sick. Wow, look at the gentleman over here. Look, he's whipping it. This is the Ramada Resort, Antalya, Turkey people. Yeah, you see how the chef them are behaving? No joking. Active. Come back for our next fish. I did really like it still. Yeah, I'll come back for another one. Yeah, man. Look at the furnace. Proper furnace people, yeah, where they're actually making bread. They make pizzas in there. So much different things that are made out of dough that goes in here, people, yeah. The heat that's coming out of there is absolutely amazing. The gentleman right around here, the chef, he's out here stocking up and he's doing the thing, loads of cheese. So you understand, he's making this and he's feeding hundreds and hundreds of people this evening. You understand, there's hundreds of people right here at the Ramada Resort getting fed lovely food. You understand, you can there's so much choices, people. Yeah, you're spoiled. Look, everyone, look, I need myself some pots these sizes when we're going out to you understand, to give back to the homeless and help the homeless. We need some of these size pots, people. Yeah, no joke thing. You understand? Look how massive these pots are. I love them, and they come on these little 1 burner hubs. That's so dope. You understand? A good vibes. I like the way you stocked up your plate, man. Yeah, I like 2 fish. You're getting it in. Good vibes. Good vibes. That's what I'm saying, people. The food is nice. So when you see the food, yeah, you're just gonna munch and munch and munch and munch. Like, look, I wanna go again, literally, yeah, because the food is absolutely amazing. That's the man there, the big man. I'm just waiting for him to just. You understand? There's some fishes over there. I'm waiting for one. I'm waiting for the next one. Yeah, definitely. You know what time it is now, everyone, yeah? Alright, so go over into the YouTube and just check out what's coming out, people, yeah? Because I got some amazing videos to show you guys, you understand? I'm just waiting for a nice fresh fish off the grill, but look at this. Alright, but I'm waiting for a well done one, people, yeah? A good vibes. Wow, look at this. I'm going again, people. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog here. Let's get some salsa, because we can't do this without the salsa. So what I've got here on my plate now is some grilled peppers, onions, tomatoes, the fish and the lemon, and just a bit of salsa, yeah, to just top it off, yeah. We're gonna tuck right in again, people, yeah. Big up yourself, look at the food is absolutely amazing. Alright everyone, so look, I had to really go back into the kitchen again. So what I've got on my menu right now is some salad. So what I've got on my menu right now is some salad. I've also got some creamy mash, some mashed potato, and then the fish. I've got the fish again. Come, let's go. We're gonna eat again. Come, a good vibe. A Rasta man dinner this year, you know? Yeah man, a Rasta man dinner this year, people. A good vibes. See, yeah, you know. So Let me show you what we got here. So look, the Africa sandwich. It's in a long leaf lettuce, and we can just tuck in like this. One minute. Roll on it. Explosion just happened in my mouth, people, yeah. Red cabbage, carrot. I can't remember what. Chef forgot what is his name again?
A dill.
Dill?
Dill for fish.
Fennel.
No man, a dill.
Dill? A dill. Yeah, my last one dill. Back home in Jamaica, we call it a cucumber.
Cucumber.
But they said it's cucumber.
Cucumber, yeah.
But a cucumber name, people. Nobody fool you and tell you say I don't know different. Yeah. It's a name cucumber. Alright? So chef, back to your business again, you know? So a decapitation, you know, first of all we have to get to that head, you know. Put him one side. Wow. Bust him open like this. You understand, people? Get rid of that middle bone. Simply, look at that. So that's one of the main bones that you want to get rid of in the fish. That's the backbone. Instead of the fish itself in the middle, you get rid of this bone here, these two bones, yeah? Once you get rid of these two bones, you can literally almost just tuck into your fish and just eat comfortable, people, yeah? So good vibes. Again, we've got the salsa sauce, which is the hot chili sauce. We're gonna plaster this time a bed of it on top of the fish, and we're gonna tuck in the next piece of bone here. So the reason why I'm getting rid of the bone, people, here, because I'm not really trying to have no interruptions right now. I'm just trying to really just, okay, there's another bone up here as well. So I have to just make sure that we decapitate the fish properly. So that, let's go. The bone. Look up yourself, everybody. Alright, I'm just gonna start tucking in now. We've got some creamy mash over here as well. Chef got the man them over here working, man. No, they're not playing, the man them over here work.
Yeah.
Me say the chef them in the kitchen and operate. I mean, like that, no, because guess what? We can easily get put off because of food.
Yeah, for real.
We prepare food. And we know how food's supposed to prepare and how food's supposed to deal with the food. I have to give it to them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Definitely.
A good vibes.
Yeah.
So big up the chef them in the kitchen. The chef them in the kitchen.
Hello.
I do a good vibes.
Definitely.
A good vibes, people, yeah. Alright, that chef.
A good vibes.
Say me love the youth them, me love the youth them. Me just want to see them striving a life, yeah. Nobody fight them, nobody fight them. Just love them and make them grow, yeah. You have to guide the youth them, guide the youth them. Don't war them, don't disappoint the youth them, yeah. Cause enough away. Disappoint the youth them, cause the youth them want some help, yeah. But the bigger set of ones them dash the youth them one side, yeah. Yeah. Me just love the youth them, all of the youth them. Want to see the youth them strive, yeah. Love the youth them, make the youth them go and win, people. Want to see the youth them strive, yeah. Yes, people. Yeah, man. Dinner was absolutely amazing. Big up yourself. I'll see you guys again in a few days, people. Yeah, understand? Good vibes. That is it.